God has given us so many blessings, and we must be grateful to Him for these blessings. Gift of nature. Nature is one of the greatest gifts from God. We must enjoy it. Go out of your house to a nearby forest or to a nearby park. Enjoy the proximity of tree, sunshine, stars, waves, wind. There are so many things. Exposure to nature gives us a lot of happiness, bliss and joy. Go to a nearby park. Smell the fragrance of flowers. Listen to the chirping of birds and silence between the chirpings. Sit down on a rock. Inhale for the count of 5. Hold for count of 5. And then exhale completely till your lungs are empty. Continue for some time till you are feeling relaxed. Feel the proximity of tree, grass. Try to distinguish different type of sounds of nature, like rustling of leaves in the tree, chirping of birds, buzzing of bees, and relax. You will get opportunity to expose to sunshine. It protects you from cancer and gives a lot of vitamin D. So there are so many benefits of nature. Nature has calming effect on our minds. Express your gratitude. At the same time, walk slowly in a relaxed manner, and at every step express gratitude to God. That is called gratitude walk. Feel brushing of winds, air on your cheeks, and enjoy the sensation. If you are not getting an opportunity to go to forest, then look after your plants. Tend your green lawn alone or with your family members. You will enjoy the company of your family members. At the same time, enjoy nature. Go to your work daily, taking different route. Better you can pass through a park and enjoy the beautiful scenery. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to ask anything, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much.